Wolves asleep amidst the trees. Bats all are swaying in the breeze. But one soul like
Blind Wolf, and we're doing part 2 of connecting with animals in nature, and we are out here at the park again, and we're feeding the geese and the ducks. Missy, get your phone out and take pictures like of the creek and stuff like that. I'm not seeing any ducks, but we got like a ton of geese out here, just like. And these guys can get rather feisty, so. So we're out here feeding the ducks, and of course we got like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 turtles. I don't know if you guys can see, but. And then we got some geese out here. We had some fish out here going. So. Fish. Holy crap. Get it. Hey, break the bread up in smaller pieces. Don't just give them one big honking piece. Because we're about out of bread now.
There's another one coming.
Another turtle?
Yeah, from right there. Here. Here you go, buddy.
Give them little pieces, Ain.
There you go, bud.
You should have got that on video. That would have been so satisfying.
Him getting it?
Yeah.
Thing of the eagles, they're out and they're moving today. So I can't see where the other one's at. So I've never seen him move in all the times I've been here, so that's kind of cool.
That's a mouse. It's down, but...
Hello, buddy. Better look of the prairie dogs. And there's the little tunnel things you can go in and be in the exhibit, but I'm not even going to attempt it. But I'm going to try to zoom in. There we go. There's a little prairie dog. I don't know where the ferrets are though. Trying to see if we can't get another one to come up this way. It just went by. And they've got all kind of toys and stuff in here for them.
Wait, give me that. Give me that. Here, wait, I got it. Are you ready? Oh, fuck. I did it with the dime.
So,
Yeah.
You gonna do it again, big boy? Come on. No. Out here feeding the goats again, and it's goat central. Hey. Oh, hi. Well, hi. Oh, these guys are like all about the food. Hi. And there's another one jumping on me. Hi. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to hold the camera and feed goats. Up, 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 up. Oh, down you go. Tried to get this the last time, but this is their dingo. Is that what, Angel? Is that what it says?
Singing dogs.
Yeah, singing dogs exhibit. I guess these are dingoes. So, well, they only got 2 of them, and they're not very active today. Oh, it's looking right at me. Oh, they're moving a little bit. This is the stuff I wanted to get the last time that I couldn't get because my phone messed up. They're just not being very active today. Oh.
Sorry.
This is their kookaburra, and there's a really big bee, so I'm backing away.
Our phones.
So if you can move it if you push hard enough, because the water moves the ball. So
I stopped it.